Can you see yourself in the 2022 Kia Sorento? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a capable Kia Sorento, the comfortable, connected midsize crossover available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. With plenty of passenger and cargo space, standard infotainment system, and advanced safety features, you'll be relaxed and confident on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, alarm, third row seat. You deserve the quality, comfort, and convenience this Sorento brings on every ride. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.